Too big? Too heavy? Too complicated? Where others see a problem, Wahyd Logistics sees an opportunity. Industries like construction, energy, and manufacturing move equipment that weighs hundreds of tons, stretches beyond standard road limits, and can't afford a single mistake in transit. One wrong move and entire projects collapse. That's why Wahyd Logistics brings something different to every heavy haul. Precision route planning, regulatory compliance, specialized equipment matched to every load, AI-powered tracking from the moment it moves to the moment it arrives, every detail planned, every risk managed, every delivery executed with zero compromise. From oversized industrial machinery to energy sector equipment, Wahyd has moved it all. On time. Every time. No matter the size, no matter the complexity.